Good morning, student. This lecture is for 7th class student. Today we will discuss third chapter exercise H part. Change the following sentences into indirect speech in your notebook. So students, some sentences are given and we have to convert. These are direct speech and we have to change into indirect speech. So the rules I will dictate in your grammar class. First one is, he said, I have got a toothache. Yes, look at, he said. There are two parts, reporting verb or reported speech. This is reporting verb, this is reported speech. When we convert direct speech into indirect speech, we remove inverted commas and we use here that. In simple sentences, I, the subject, it change according to, if is first person, it is changed into subject. Then he said, remove comma, inverted commas and write that. See, he said that I है first person change into according to subject, reporting verb का subject. तो I change into he, write he. Have got, this is present perfect tense, change into past perfect tense. He had got a toothache. Now full stop. He said that he had got a toothache. उसने कहा कि मुझे क्या हो गया है, दांत में दर्द हो गया है. तो उसने कहा था कि उसको दांत में दर्द हो गया था. This is direct speech, this is indirect speech. Second one, Manu said, I am very busy now. Manu said, remove inverted commas and write in place of inverted commas that. Manu said that I, first person, according to subject. He is MR, change into was were. He was very busy. Now change into then. We change now into then in reported speech. So Manu said that he was very busy then. THEN. Now third sentence. My mother went to Delhi last week. She said to us. She said to us. This is reporting verb. And my mother went to Delhi last week. This is reported speech. Okay. So we change said to into told. Then she told us that, remove inverted commas and write that. She told us that she told us that her mother had gone to Delhi. Went is second form, past indefinite tense, and we change past indefinite tense into past perfect tense. That's why I wrote here had plus verb का third form. She told us that her mother had gone to Delhi last week. Last week we change into previous week. PREVIOUS. Previous week. Number 4. The earth moves round the sun. He told her. we write here, he told her, remove inverted commas and write that. He told her that the earth moves round the sun. Inverted commas, remove. So the earth moves round the sun. I did not change tense because this is universal truth. ये scientific truth है कि पृथ्वी सन के राउंड मूव करती है. तो जो भी यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ होते हैं या जो साइंटिफिक ट्रूथ होते हैं, वी डोंट चेंज टेंस. नंबर 5th, she said I am going to college. This is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense we change into past continuous tense. So write here, she said that. She said that I into I first person change into subject. She is MR was verb. She was going to college. The student, in detail I will teach you direct indirect in grammar class. Now number 6. I am writing the notebook. Stop it. She said to me, do you not like mangoes? So this sentence is start from helping verb or helping verb. So this is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence we change reporting verb said to into asked, and we don't put that to remove inverted commas. We use if or whether like this. She asked me, remove commas and write here if. If you is second person change into ऑब्जेक्ट. यू को हम चेंज करेंगे मी में तो क्या बन जाएगा आई डू नॉट को डिड नॉट में. इफ आई डिड नॉट लाइक मैंगोज. राजू सेड गौतम must go tomorrow. Must we change into would have. WOULD would have. So Raju said that Gautam, its name, it can't be changed. That Gautam, GAUTAM, change must into would have to. Gautam would have to go. टुमारो को चेंज करते हैं फॉलोइंग डे में. गो द फॉलोइंग डे. Number 8. Now number 8. Geeta says my father is an engineer. ये says this is अगर आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट टेंस में है या फ्यूचर टेंस में है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का टेंस में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. तो वी डोंट चेंज रिपोर्टेड स्पीच सेंटेंस चेंज. वी विल नॉट चेंज. हेयर Geeta says, remove commas, write that. Geeta says that my father, my, it first person change into subject. Her father is an engineer. I did not change tense. Why? Because reporting verb is in present tense. If reporting verb is in present tense, then we can't change tense of the reported speech. Clear? Next, he said, I have passed the physical test. He said that remove inverted commas and write that I first person change into subject. He, its present perfect tense change into past perfect. He had passed the physical test. Full stop. Student, till here you will write in your notebook and practice in rough notebook. Thank you.